Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello student, good morning. Today in class 12 biology, the chapter is human reproduction and subtopic of the chapter is embryogenesis, means development of embryo from diploid zygote or formation of embryo from diploid zygote. So student, in this section as you know very well embryogenesis. So embryogenesis is the process by which fetus form from diploid zygote, means having 2x number of chromosome. So this embryogenesis has four parts. First is cleavage or segmentation. Second is implantation. Third is gastrulation. And fourth is organogenesis. Now student, during cleavage, cells are divided mitotically. Means to say, diploid zygote divides mitotically to form a large number of cells. So this is known as cleavage or segmentation. Now, whenever cells are formed, they make a compact structure. So this compact structure later known as morula and blastula. So when blastula is formed, this is a 32 cell, then implantation occurs. Means attachment of blastocyst to the endometrium of the uterus. So this is known as implantation. Now during gastrulation, means the formation of three germ layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Means during gastrula, three germ layers are formed. Now organogenesis means formation of organs from germ layers. So this is known as organogenesis. Now cleavage or segmentation. So cleavage is repeated mitotic cell divisions in which zygote transform a single fertilized egg cell into a hollow, means inside hollow structure, spherical and multicellular blastula. means during cleavage zygote transform to form a multicellular structure that is a hollow and spherical in nature. So the structure is known as blastula. Now during cleavage, first one, it involves a series of mitotic divisions, means here so many daughter cells are formed during cleavage. Second, interphase is short and does not involve growth. Means during cleavage the interphase is very short, so here no need to grow in size, means growth is not occurred. Next is it increases cell numbers. During cleavage so many number of cells are produced. Faster DNA synthesis. During cleavage the synthesis of DNA is faster, so facilitate duplication of chromosome, means your chromosome duplicated more and more. And last, increase in nuclear or cytoplasmic ratio, means during cleavage the nuclear material and cytoplasmic material should be balanced. Yes student, cleavage or segmentation of human zygote. So after fertilization, suppose that this is our ovum and egg fertilized by a sperm and ovum. So a structure that have thick walls form having 2x number of chromosome. So this is known as zygote, or you can say fertilized egg. Fertilized egg. In human cleavage, after 24 hours, means from fertilization to 24 hours, this zygote divides into two cells like that. So it is a simple mitotic cell division, and here this is a 24 hours. Means after 24 hours of the fertilization, zygote divides into two blastomeres. Blastomeres. And these two cells further divide after 40 hours to 4 cells, means 4 blastomeres, like that. Blastomeres means this is a 2 cell structure and this is a 4 cell structure. Now after 3 days, means to say 72 hours, this blastomeres means having 4 cells divides into 8-cell structure. Cells are compactly arranged and look like a mulberry fruit. So this structure is known as morula, 8-cell structure. Further, morula transform into 16-cell. Means 16 cells are formed, but it is a compactly arranged. Like that. So this is a 16 cell structure. Now this 16 cell structure, this is a compactly arranged. This is a solid. Again transform into a hollow structure that is known as blastula or blastocyst, like that. So outer cells of this blastula is called trophoectoderm. Means these cells, though arranged outer side like that, this is a trophoectoderm and having some mass of cells inner side, means inner cell mass. Inner cell mass. So this structure is known as blastocyst or blastula. Difference between morula and blastula. Morula cells are compactly arranged, ball-like structure. What in blastula? Having hollow sphere, means inside the structure is hollow. So now this is about blastula and morula. Now dear student, trophoectoderm, it does not involve in the embryo formation. Only this trophoectoderm act as a protective layer, and later this trophoectoderm forms chorionic villi, and these chorionic villi help in the attachment of blastula or blastocyst in uterus. Second is about implantation. Attachment of blastocyst or blastula to the inner layer of uterus, that is endometrium. So about 8 days after the fertilization, blastula ready to attaches on the surface of uterine wall. So before it, about 2 days, fertilized egg, or you can say embryo, move in a uterus and get nutrients or nutrition from uterine milk. So it is about implantation of. Now about gastrulation, means formation of gastrula. So transformation of blastula into gastrula with three primary germ layers. So this process is known as gastrulation. During gastrulation, three primary germ layers. One is though is the outer ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm form. In later phases, these three primary germ layers forms different kind of organs in our body. Now here extra embryonic membrane like amnion, chorion, allantois and yolk sac also form. So this is about gastrulation, means formation of gastrula. About organogenesis. After the fertilization, organogenesis start from 16th of the day. So here two procedures are there. One is notogenesis, means formation of notochord, and second is neurogenesis, means development of nerve cord. Now three coded character: presence of notochord, presence of nerve cord and presence of pharyngeal glycerate. So human also having a coded characters. So whenever organs are formed, so first organ that formed in a human baby, that is the heart, because it supplied blood to the whole body. So now it is about embryogenesis of human. This is for you. Thanks for the day.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.